Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I've got an update for Aimogen and it is for the chatbot, as starting from today it will be able to display a GDPR notice before allowing access to the actual chatbot for the AI chatbot's users. So let me show you how to enable this. Be sure to activate the latest update of the plugin and go to settings. In the AI chatbot menu, go to settings tab, scroll down until you see GDPR settings, and to enable the GDPR functionality, check this checkbox. Also edit these messages and the button text, also the consent checkbox label, and the button text can be start chatting, for example. The label can be I agree to the terms, and the privacy notice, the notice text can be something like this. Be aware that you can use also this little shortcode here. So privacy policy URL, let me move the display here. So this can be embedded in a link, and this is the HTML link which will go to the privacy policy URL of your page, which is set in WordPress. So if you don't have a privacy policy URL set in WordPress settings here in the privacy part, so if you go here you can see that you can set a privacy policy page here. If you have this set, then the privacy policy shortcode, this one, will be automatically allowing access to this page's URL. If you don't have it, you can set a manual link here, or actually you can also remove the link if you don't want to show a link in this part. Okay, so after you configure this and check this checkbox, save settings. And let me show you this in the chatbot, which is embedded on the front end of my site. So I have enabled the global chatbot on the front end. Because of this, I will see a chatbot on my on the site's front end. So for this, let's go to WordPress in an incognito window, and this is my basic testing site, and here's the chatbot, and here it is. This is the privacy policy message that we set in the plugin settings. If the user clicks this button, the privacy policy page will be opening up for them, and if they agree to the terms, they can also start chatting. And now the chatbot is functional and ready to be used. Also, if you refresh the chatbot, the user is not asked the same question anymore until an expiration date, which is long. It is a year. So here it is. This is how you will be able to use a GDPR notice before actually allowing access to the chatbot in the Aimogen plugin. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know. It will be found in the settings, and as I mentioned, the GDPR settings. So comment below with your ideas. Thank you for watching until then. This was just a short video, and note that this will be required. The GDPR settings will be, a notice will be required in Europe if you are using the lead collection feature of the plugin. So if you are using the lead capture feature of the plugin, European Union requires you to also use this kind of GDPR notice and make an actual consent for users before they can start using the chatbot. So yeah, Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching until then. This is all. Bye bye.